This is Jeb Blunt, and it's Money Monday on the Sales Gravy Podcast.
Say make money, money, make money, money, money. Make money, money, make money, money, money. Money makes the world go round. I'm the talk around town. Remy gave me the sound.
All right, it is Monday, the most important day of the week, because when you start your Monday strong, you'll end your week strong. I want to start out today by thanking everyone who bought my brand new book, The LinkedIn Edge, last week. And just to tell you how grateful I am to you and for you. You are incredible fans because with your help, The LinkedIn Edge rocketed to the top of the rankings and became a #1 bestseller. I believe so much in the power of this book to transform your relationship with LinkedIn that I just can't say thank you enough for your help and the trust that you put in me. And if you don't have the LinkedIn Edge yet, please stop and go get it. We have reviews coming in from all corners and people say they love it. This book truly will shift the way that you use LinkedIn for prospecting, and it will help you build a bigger pipeline. You've probably heard it 100 times lately that AI is coming for your job. Every single week, there's a new headline about another role being automated or another company replacing people with bots or another agent that can do the work of 10 humans in half the time. And if you spend too much time reading those headlines, it's easy to start wondering, well, what happens to me? What happens to the salespeople like us in a world where machines can do almost everything that we used to do? Well, here is the brutal and undeniable truth. AI is going to change everything, and it will impact almost every part of our lives. That train, well, it's left the station, and it's not going to turn back. AI is also going to displace a lot of people and a lot of jobs, but it's not going to replace everyone. Because no matter how smart machines get, they can't feel or connect the way that you and I can. Sales is and always will be the ultimate human profession. It's the one job built entirely on human emotion, human judgment, and human connection. Just think about it. AI can write words, but it can't create belief. It can predict who might buy, but it can't build trust. It can score a lead, but it can't lead a human being through uncertainty, fear, and doubt while giving them the confidence to make the right decisions in complex situations. That's what you do. That's what we do. And that's what salespeople have always done, long before there was technology, long before there was AI, and long before algorithms tried to simulate emotions. In sales, it's not about the product, it's about the person. You see, people buy you. What you sell might get you to the door, but it is how you sell as a human being that determines whether they let you in. Every single sale is a transfer of emotion, one human being to another. It's the transfer of belief and confidence and trust. When a customer says yes, they're not saying yes to a proposal or a price. They're saying yes to you. And no matter how powerful the technology becomes, that moment, that human moment, it will never be replaced by a line of code. As modern sellers, what we need to understand is that AI isn't the end of selling. It's just the next leap forward in our incredibly resilient profession. But we do need to keep it real because AI will replace some salespeople. The ones who are lazy, transactional, just go through the motions and never bother to think, adapt, and grow. Those reps will get left behind. So though AI will not make sales professionals less valuable, it will absolutely make the gap between poor and exceptional salespeople wider and more pronounced. But the top performers, the ones who have the ability to combine human empathy with AI-powered insight, they'll be unstoppable. Because when you merge the intelligence of machines with the intuition of a human being, it becomes a force multiplier. Right now, today, top sales professionals and high earners are elevating their performance with AI tools that do the grunt work. It'll build your list, do your research, automate your follow-ups, and write every sort of draft. It will give you more time for human-to-human connections, to listen, discover, develop creative solutions, persuade, and see what machines can't see, the emotional context behind the data. You see, the question isn't whether AI will replace you. The question is whether you'll use AI to become irreplaceable. AI can give you the right words to say, but only you can make someone feel something when you say it. AI can pull the data, do the research, and build your presentation. But only you can look someone in the eye and say, trust me, we can solve this together, and then close the sale. That's the AI edge. It's not about the tools. It's about using the tools to amplify your humanity, not replace it. In the age of AI, your number one competitive advantage is emotional intelligence. It's your ability to understand how people feel, to adapt to their emotions, and guide them through uncertainty toward a decision. Just think about the last time you made a big decision. Could have been buying a car, changing jobs, or moving to a new city. You didn't make the decision because of pure logic. You made it because of someone, maybe a friend or a spouse or a salesperson, who made you feel confident about that decision. They helped you believe that it was the right move. That's exactly what elite salespeople do every single day. They help other human beings feel confident. And no matter how advanced AI gets, confidence can't be coded. And in a strange paradox, as AI floods the marketplace with more automation and shallow synthetic communication, real human connection will actually become more valuable. Buyers are already exhausted from automated everything, and they're craving real human authenticity. So, what does all of this mean in practical terms? Well, it means that you need to double down right now on the one thing that AI can't replicate: your humanity. Develop your listening skills, grow your emotional intelligence, learn how to become a more convincing and compelling communicator, build your skills for influencing buying decisions, and learn how to connect and build relationships with people. Because in this brave new world, soft skills are the new hard skills. And the future belongs to sales pros who merge emotional intelligence with artificial intelligence. Look, AI is here to stay. You can choose to fear it, or you can choose to leverage it. You can choose to complain about it, or you can choose to get curious and learn. You can choose to stand still, or you can choose to evolve. Because no matter how powerful AI becomes, it still needs you, a human, to guide it. A human who understands how to lead a conversation, build trust, how to read a face, how to feel what another person feels. That's the magic of sales. And that's what makes our profession the ultimate human career choice. If you don't have my new book, The LinkedIn Edge, where I teach you new sales strategies for unleashing the power of LinkedIn, plus AI to cold call less and sell more, go get the book right now on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or wherever books are sold. And remember, at the end of the day, when you're tired, worn out, and all you want to do is quit, always stop and make one more call. This is Jeb Blunt, and I'll see you next time on the Sales Gravy Podcast.
Survival of the fittest, you can sink or swim. I've been broke, I ain't never going back again. I need some C-notes, some cheddar, and a stack of ends. I need a bowl of dough, I don't need no Facebook friends. I need a pack of them snaps, a handful of Fetty Wops, and rubber band on my greenbacks. Look, dawg, don't be playing with my paper. I need every red cent, that's why I brought my little scraper. Money, 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 money.